Oh, guys, the shit we find in cars. Oh, yeah. Get rid of it. Oh. 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 Clean out your cabin air filters, people. Holy shit. That was in there.
What was it there?
It was a chipmunk. A big one. Oh my god. Who needs coffee, huh? Where are you, in the dumpster?
No, I put it in front of the dumpster to take a picture of it for him.
Wow. Wow. He's all maggoty. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, boys. How do you like those apples, huh? What a way to start a Friday. Thank fuck it's Friday, huh, Junior?
That's awesome near as frig, boss.
Awesome as frig. Thank fuck it's Friday.
I gotta get a picture of that. That's fucking awful.
Oh, the whole shop stinks. Oh boy. Alright guys, just had to show you some of the fun things we find in people's cars. I think I'm gonna skip lunch today. So on that note, guys, keep it out of the cabbage.